to ST786 channel. In this video we will see how to make Erukkam flower garland or crown flower garland in a very easy way. Erukkam flower, it is otherwise called as a crown flower, is of two types. One is a blue variety and another one is a white variety. What you see in this video is a blue variety which is commonly found in the streets. Next we are showing you here is what is a white variety which is rarely found. To worship Lord Ganesha, both this variety can be used. So in this video we will see how to make this as a garland in a very easy way. So the first step is pluck the Erukkam flowers or crowned flowers from the plant. The material which is required for making this garland is Erukkam flower, thread and needle. Now we'll see how to string these flowers using a needle and thread. Take the required length of thread and put a knot at the end of the thread. Now we'll show you how to separate the Erukkam flowers. It has got three parts. The first is a stem, petals and the central part is a flower. Remove the stem and the petals and keep the central part, that is a flower, separately. As shown in this video, we are removing the stem and the petal and keeping the central part aside. This central part is used for making the garland. This is a very soft flower, so it gets detached very easily. Repeat the same process for the rest of the flowers. Now we'll show you how to select the flowers. Always this Erukkam flower, you should take the fresh flower for making the garland. And buds like this, you can see two buds on the left hand side. So if there is a bud, it should be discarded. It should not be used for making the garland. Now we have separated all the flowers as shown in this video. We will see how to string these flowers as a garland. Take the needle and thread. Insert the needle from the base of the flower. As you can see in this video, this part is a base and the part now what we are showing as the tip of the flower. So insert the needle from the base. Allow the needle to go through the flower. Bring out through the tip. So as shown in this video, insert through the base and bring the needle out through the tip. So this is the base of the flower and this is the tip of the flower. So we are inserting from the base, go through the flower and then bring the needle out through the tip. Repeat the same process for the rest of the Erukkam flowers. Now you can see that some flower has already been stringed out. Repeat the same process as shown in this video. It is a very easy process and it takes less than 5 minutes, very few time to string this garland. So we have come to the end of this process. Now leave some thread at the end for tying it as a garland. Cut the end with the scissors. Now you can see that the beautiful Erukkam flower garland is ready to be offered to God. You can string this garland to the required length you need. So the beautiful garland is ready for offering. I had also made one more garland using the same method. So this garland can be offered to Lord Ganesha, which is a favorite flower for him, on Vinayar chaturthi and also on other chaturthi days like Sankadakara chaturthi, which comes every month. By offering this garland, he removes all the obstacles in our life, brings luck and prosperity to our life. Now the beautiful Erukkam garland is ready. I had offered this Erukkam flower garland to Lord Ganesha. It looks very beautiful. You can also make this at your home and offer it to the Lord and get his blessings. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, give a like, share and press the bell icon. Thank you.